Up for sale, I got a 1958 Dodge D100 pickup Resto-Mod. Gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 58 Dodge D100. Let me tell you about it. Resto-Mod, rack and pinion, power steering, Dodge Dakota suspension and frame. The whole chassis, really. Power front disc brakes, 360 V8. All steel body, show quality paint. Again, I'll get to it all. AC, upgraded pulley system. So we're just gonna hop right into it. I love how they keep the factory look with it. It's a very factory looking truck, but underneath it, you got an amazing truck. You got an amazing running, driving, everything really. I mean, I'm do a quick little go over here. You got your Dodge typical, your painted white bumper in the front. The lights, so it's a 58, so that's the first year they went to dual headlights throughout the majority of cars. But yeah, I mean, it's an all steel body. I believe it's the all original body too, which is very nice to see on a truck like this. You know, as you know, pickup trucks were ordered for work. They were out in the fields, farmland, dirt, grime, salt, snow. There's not too many flaws on the car, just a couple of little touch-ups. It's a very low usage car. The underneath, as you've seen in the ad, is fresh. The floors are all original and painted to match the top of the car in the same type of quality paint. I know a lot of Dodge stuff is hard to find. You got your trim, the logos, emblems, stuff like that. Very nice to see this all maintained. The only couple things, I think this piece of trim might have chipped the paint in a couple areas. So there's a touch up there, and a touch up there. So here, let me put this down because it's a dual latch hood. Like I said, it's a 360 Dodge motor. It's an all factory correct motor. You got the Mopar intake. It's a Dodge, not a Dodge Demon, but Demon carburetor. The 360 was built by Mopar City, so that's kind of nice. I guess they're a pretty notable company. You got your power steering, your upgraded pulley system, the AC, all the inside, all this is redone very nicely. Show quality finish. You got your more modern type of power brake booster. Again, it has front disc on there. The underhood painted to match. The firewall painted to match. Really very show quality engine compartment. And they did a really nice job. Again, you might be able to see it down there. I don't know if you can in the camera. You can see part of the rack and pinion. So let's keep going here. We're going to go to the driver's side. It's finished in red. Again, all steel, show quality paint. Factory hubcaps. The baby moon with the white steel wheel. This opens and closes still. Nice that they kept that. Excellent glass all the way around. Top of the car is nice too. It's got that little white to accent, you know, the mirrors, the bumper, and I guess the steel wheels if you want to go there. So that's all really nice. Back window. And you see it's got the antenna for the upgraded radio that's in it. Another thing I like, a lot of truck doors throughout models, whatnot. Doors always seem to have a difficult time closing. Nice and easy. Pop right open. Factory door handles too. I don't know if you're going to get the quality of this door here, but this is a very quality paint. Again, it's not like they skimped out because it's the inside. Factory door panel. Really, all the paint is all done, excuse me, nicely original stamping. See what it says. There's the VIN. Bunch of other stuff. I don't feel like going over it. Different bucket seats in it. Nice looking, probably out of a different type of a Dodge. Gray carpet, low car shifter. Sorry for shaking the camera a little bit too much. Wood grain steering wheel with the Dodge button on it. You got a tack. Upgraded gauges, odometer gauges in the factory dash. Another factory component. I had that on my other two Dodge pickups that I had. Again, the red on the dash. Quality of the truck. The outside of the truck, the exterior. The vents for the AC put in there. And the factory type of wrapping that they put in there. There's a speaker down there. Type of wrapping that they put in, kind of like a factory style. Finishing it with the dome light. And again, there's that antenna coming out the back. It's a 360 motor. And I looked up the bolt pattern on the transmission. It's a 904 Torqueflite. I'll correct myself with a little text if I'm wrong, but I believe it was a 904 Torqueflite, if that's the proper number for it. But it is a Torqueflite. All steel bed. It is a short bed with the step side. You can see in the wheel well there. I'm actually going to run a video of the underneath right now. We're going to head underneath the Dodge now. You see these inner fender wells. You see the wood up there. Everything has been gone through. These are all original floors. You see the trans, you see the front disc, the suspension, the rack and pinion. Just quickly going through it right now. Felt that the quality and the excellence of it needed to be shown more closely. And back to the video. There you go, you saw the underneath. Very nice, very recent, very fresh looking. Another major thing about these trucks, the bed. Custom wood bed in. They put the gas tank down there. And it looks to be an oversized gas tank. But the bed's excellent. The paint in the bed's excellent. I know sometimes they'll throw something in there. No, nothing's marked, nothing's scratched. Dual exhaust. You can see part of the gas tank. And then there's a tow hitch on the back. Now whether you want to use that, it doesn't look like it's ever been used. You can. I mean, I don't know what I would tow with it. And you can see the mirror finish on that paint. It's like I said, very nicely done. Dual exhaust. Being an all steel, all original body truck, I mean, maybe the fenders were replaced, but an all steel truck, I have to assume it was a very southern truck to begin with. But from what I was told, this is all the original body. They even kept that nice little factory pinstriping here. That piece of like vinyl. Looking for some flaws. I'm not really seeing too many. And you know it's been apart because they did not skimp painting in here. This is all the same finish as the rest of the truck. It's not like they had it together and they shot it through here. So you know that it was really off the frame when it was done. And again, look at the new bolts on this. There you go. Nice bucket seats. I like that they kind of went with a little grayish. Super comfortable though. And seat belts. Whatever these seats are out of, they've either been recovered or they weren't really used before, so they definitely look brand new. Again, new bolts down there. Look how fresh that piece is. Even what the door sits into, that little pin, that's brand new. Like I said, this works. Like I said, 58 Dodge D100 Resto-Mod pickup. 350, built by Mopar City. 904 Torqueflite automatic transmission. Power steering with rack and pinion. Dodge Dakota chassis. Vintage AC, upgraded pulley system. Frame off. Has an electric fuel pump as well. Wood bed. Show paint. All original trim. Again, really hard to find this kind of stuff. I had a 55 and a 57, and I know how difficult they are to come by, let alone find the pieces for them. Will be up for sale later today. Next Gen Classic Cars and eBay, both links will be in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. And if you have any interest, do let me know. You know, I just remembered seeing something before. A little mini touch-up right there. And another little guy right there. Little guy's probably pencil tip size. So, thanks for watching, and here we go. Alright, here we go. Here's the 360, the Dodge motor again. Like I said, very factory correct engine compartment, funny enough. Got the headers of 360, built by Mopar City. You got the Mopar intake, the Demon carb. You see your power steering with the upgraded pulley system, the vintage AC, the power brakes. And I'm going to give them the thumbs up right now.